Yeah, just let them kill each other.
Still on the very edge of the fucking zone.
I'd use your M416 on auto. You know my personal preference.
Yeah, I know.
There's 2 teams left besides you. And you're thinking right when it comes to thinking one's that way. Let them find each other first.
Yep. Just gonna play it quiet. Hopefully I hear them. Apparently, it says I'm not in the zone. Really, I am. If anything, I'm expecting shit from over there. Yes, that's right. Kill each other, you fucks. They're not even in the zone. Come on, kill each other, you fuckers. If I had your fucking suppressor, you'd be set right now. Yes, yes. Oh fuck. Where do I have to go to be in it? Can my keys not fucking work, please? It's me and one fucking guy. Question is where?
Hill, on top of that hill. I just saw him.
Fuck off, game. Can I not?
I would use your M16, honestly. Rush him. It's your best chance right now. Your long range is not very good. Oh. Or not. Maybe he'll just kick his ass anyway.
You're fucked, bud. That's how you fucking win it. Play the fucking map.
We just won! Did we just win?